Hi and welcome back. I'm currently in the car because I'm on my way to Denmark and I'm gonna take you along, so stay tuned for some fun time in Denmark. Okay, so I just arrived at the final destination. We now just entered our home for the next couple of days and it is so beautiful, and we got the sweetest welcome. Just like a cute little note and some snacks and water for Pepper. I think that's so cute. And the house in general is so cute. This is just amazing. And there's like this cute little chair and fireplace. I already put Pepper's right there so he feels at home. And this will be my office for the next couple of days. And the kitchen. Yeah, really sweet, and I think we're gonna have a great time. We just got out the house to go for a walk. So, and this is just the fjord, and it's really beautiful. And this is the other side, and somewhere over there is our house, which is pretty cool. But, so yeah, we're just out to go get some fresh air, and so Peppa can have an exciting walk hopefully. But yeah, that's basically it. Good morning. I'm just gonna enjoy my coffee and work and see what the day will bring. The fire is cracking in the oven and we have some cozy music on, and just gonna have a relaxing evening. I hope that I can put some of the things in my routine back home. So easy to do that, but sometimes you just don't see it, that it's that simple to incorporate any of those things. Okay, so I was just at the grocery store, and I have to say I love supermarkets in other countries, sometimes even other cities as they change, but definitely other countries, and I bought some really cool things. Groceries are definitely way more expensive in Denmark as in Germany, but that's unknown. But I bought something. I mean, that's not like super foreign or anything, but I'm needing this a lot right now. That's basically a ginger shot, but it's like 500 milliliters. So I'm gonna take a sip of that. And what else did I buy? Oh yeah, that was kind of cool. They have like yogurt and those like bottled Tetra Pak. I think that's really cool that you can just like pour yogurt. Oh yeah, I found my favorite chocolate. Yeah, it's not good, it's basically just powder, but I love that. No, I think everything else was pretty basic. Nothing like crazy. So I can't find any shot glasses, which is not a surprise, as I'm gonna just drink it in a normal cup. Cheers. That was good. Okay, so back at home, that walk was so lovely. We walked over like an hour, I think, and explored the island a little bit, which was amazing. Now back home, I'm just chilling here. Peppa is not happy that he needs to take a nap now too. I'm just chilling here on the couch and probably gonna fall asleep. I'm not gonna lie about that. I'm just gonna read a little bit, have a snack, and yeah, just enjoyed this amazing, so beautiful. And we have so much sun today. It's just stunning. This morning we had deer in our garden, which was just amazing. It was so magical. I'm gonna insert that Instagram story I made here. Alright, just back from the walk outside, and now I'm gonna prepare dinner. I'm gonna make some yummy pizza tonight. Yeah, we're just basically using all that's left of the ingredients that we still have and try to get rid of all of that because we're gonna leave tomorrow. As you can see, I already started, but it looks delicious and it tastes delicious. So very good pizza. I'm gonna eat that now, and then I'm gonna finish packing and I'll probably go to bed. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my pizza now. Hello and good morning. Today is the last morning, so I'm just gonna get ready. Even though it was really short, it was amazing. We've been here a week, and obviously, as it is always with any kind of like vacations, that's always too short. I always love to have some kind of like slow time on vacation. I mean, it always depends, and of course I do have sometimes like city trips or anything that is a little bit more exciting than just spending a whole week in a cabin on a lonely island. So yeah, of course that is like not always the case, but this time it was exactly what I was looking for. But yeah, so I've just been here going on long walks, enjoying reading by the fireplace, but I didn't read as much as I thought I would, just also because I was working, so it wasn't like full-on vacation, it was like a workation. But what really actually kind of like fascinates me is how much grounding and relaxation it brings, and I'm fascinated by that every single time, is like how grounding is to actually be in nature, and you know, hearing birds chirping in the morning and waking up by sunlight, and I don't hear any like man-made noises. So no matter if I look up this window or this window or this way, it's just like nature everywhere, and you look so far. And obviously I don't have that in the city, just like looking at the next building block. So yeah, this is always fascinating to me. Also the people here, they're so nice. I don't know, I just wish that everyone would just like be as kind as they are here. They just like greet everyone no matter if they know you or not. It just felt like we've lived here for 5 years. And now we're just gonna hit the road. And this time we're gonna drive a different route just because we have a different destination, final destination. So we're not gonna take the ferry, which is kind of sad. I love that ferry. I mean, it had a Starbucks on it. I mean, who doesn't love that? And I mean, obviously we need to take that little small ferry that lets us leave this little island, but not like the bigger one. This lip oil, by the way, it's magic. I love it. Let's hit the road.